How to make ramen with eggs. First, you'll need a pot to add water to. For some context, I've been making ramen since I was in the 3rd grade, so I consider myself a professional ramen maker. I can eye out the amount of water. The package says 2 cups of water, but for me, I can just eye it out. So you don't follow what I'm doing just because every pot size is different.
Unless you're a professional, that is.
Next, you want to put it in the stove at medium heat. Open the package. There are ridges at the edge for easy tear. Take out the seasoning powder and the dry veggies. You don't have to, but I break the ramen in half so that's easier to cook, especially if you have a smaller pot. Once the water boils, add in the dried noodles. Get all of it in there. Don't throw away the package yet. Save it because when you have to place your chopsticks down, you can put it inside the package. Then open the veggies, pour it all in there. Then the same for the seasoning powder. Shake it a bit so you push down all the powder. I make sure to get all the powder out to maximize the soup flavoring. You don't have to do this, but I like licking the residue of the powder. Mix up the noodles with the veggies and the powder. Continually stir to even out the cooking of the noodles. When the noodles are almost done cooking, it's time to put in the egg. Crack the egg and put it in the ramen pot. Another use for the ramen package is to put the eggshells in it. Now you can stir the egg to make the soup base like an egg drop soup, or you could just leave it and cook it like a boiled egg. Keep in mind that the eggs cook fast. You want to add it right before the noodles are fully cooked so that by the time the eggs are fully cooked, the noodles are fully cooked as well. If you put in the egg when the noodles are fully cooked, your noodles will be totally cooked or overcooked. The noodles will be mushy unless you like it mushy. After about a minute or two, it's ready. You can test it out to make sure the noodles is cooked the way you like it. That's it, and that's how you make ramen with eggs.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you'd like to watch more how-to videos, make sure you like and subscribe.